The suburban street awakens in the tender embrace of sunrise, bathed in a light that promises new beginnings. The wind whispers through the leaves, carrying secrets only the trees know. In a small town, on a quiet street, where the trees whispered in the wind, a symphony of birdsong fills the air, an innocent chorus welcoming the day. The street rests in quiet anticipation, each house holding stories yet untold. In a quiet suburban neighborhood, a man walks along the sidewalk, the picture of everyday life. His steady, unhurried pace hints at a life lived in quiet routine. Lost in thought, his gaze is fixed ahead, unaware of the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the surface. As the music subtly intensifies, a sense of unease begins to creep in, hinting at the darkness that lurks beneath the ordinary. Narration. There lived a man who walked the same path every day. The ordinary man continues his walk, but the world around him feels subtly different. The screen comes alive with TaleBright presence, each word shimmering with promise. A logo emerges, its colors blending smoothly, captivating the gaze. A gentle light washes over the scene, casting a dreamlike spell. The light intensifies, enveloping the screen in warmth and anticipation. Darkness descends, leaving the audience in eager suspense. Under the radiant morning sun, Mr. Gordon begins his mail route, his kind face reflecting the warmth of the day. His neatly pressed uniform speaks of dedication as he advances along his route, each step measured and purposeful. A warm smile graces his lips as he approaches each house, a beacon of friendliness in the quiet neighborhood. With gentle care, Mr. Gordon delivers the mail, a silent messenger of news and connection in the tranquil morning. Mr. Gordon approaches Mrs. Appleton's quaint house. He slides the mail into her box, observing Mrs. Appleton's struggle. "Let me help you with that, Mrs. Appleton." He moves quickly to assist her. "Oh, thank you, young man. My old bones aren't what they used to be." Mr. Gordon continues his walk, the afternoon sun casting long shadows across the park. Amidst the vibrant greenery, a solitary child sits forlorn on a swing, creating a poignant tableau. From afar, Mr. Gordon waves, his smile a beacon of warmth aimed at the lonely figure. Like a sunrise, the child's face lights up, their answering wave a burst of pure joy. A simple gesture, yet it bridges the gap, showcasing Mr. Gordon's innate ability to uplift spirits. Under a sky weeping rain, an anonymous figure battles the downpour to safeguard a mysterious package. With meticulous care, hands work to encase the parcel in protective plastic, a silent promise against the storm's relentless assault. The rain intensifies, yet the task continues, each fold and tuck a testament to unwavering resolve. The package, now shielded, stands as a beacon of hope against the gray, a silent victory declared in the heart of the storm. A lone figure stands on the porch, shrouded in shadow. The porch light remains off, a silent testament to days of darkness. A flicker of concern crosses the figure's face as they raise a hand to knock. With a soft knock, the figure breaks the silence. Sound of a soft knock. Distant city hum. On the apartment steps, a silent tableau of sorrow unfolds as a child weeps, their tears a river of anguish. A figure sits beside the child, a steadfast presence, offering solace without words, their silence echoing the depth of shared emotion. The child's sobs resonate, each tear a testament to unspoken pain, as the figure remains a pillar of quiet support. In a moment of profound empathy, the figure's unwavering presence amplifies the child's vulnerability, creating an intimate bond of understanding. The music swells, its gentle strings weaving a tapestry of shared grief, enhancing the unspoken dialogue between two souls. The child continues to cry. The figure remains steadfast, their quiet companionship a powerful testament to the strength of silent support. In the soft morning light, Mr. Gordon, a kind-faced mailman, makes his way to the local post office, his presence a comforting promise of connection in the tranquil dawn. Each step echoes softly on the pavement, a gentle rhythm accompanying his arrival. With a warm smile, Mr. Gordon greets Mrs. Henderson. "Morning, Mrs. Henderson. Another beautiful day, isn't it?" His cheerful greeting cuts through the calm morning air, a beacon of optimism. Mr. Gordon strides down the residential street, a beacon of routine and goodwill. A brief exchange of smiles as he waves to a young mother strolling with her child. He pauses for a cheerful chat with an elderly gentleman amidst blooming flowers. With each letter delivered, he brightens lives in small, almost unseen ways. Sunlight warms the dashboard of Mr. Gordon's mail truck as he sorts the day's deliveries. An unusual envelope catches his eye. To Mr. Gordon, the mailman, he gently tears open the envelope to reveal a crayon-drawn thank you card. "Thank you for always smiling. I was sad last year. You helped more than you knew." His weathered face softens as the heartfelt message touches him deeply. A single tear traces a path down his cheek, a testament to an unexpected connection. Midday finds Mr. Gordon, a weary delivery person, seeking respite on a park bench. His hand reaches into his bag for sustenance, but his gaze lingers on a thank you card. Doubt clouds his face as he holds the card, a silent question hanging in the air. With a deep breath, Mr. Gordon decides to open the card, his anticipation building. The simple act of opening the card transforms the mundane into a moment of profound significance. The world around him fades as Mr. Gordon immerses himself in the heartfelt message within. Mr. Gordon's face fills with emotion as he begins to read the card, his eyes glistening. A wave of surprise washes over him, followed by gratitude, revealing a rare vulnerability. With gentle care, he folds the card, preserving the moment. He clutches the card to his chest, a tangible symbol of connection. He sat there for a long time. For once, he wasn't delivering something. He had received something. Mr. Gordon sits alone on the park bench, a solitary figure amidst the fading light. A gentle halo of light begins to form behind him, casting a warm glow around his silhouette. He lifts his gaze towards the heavens, lost in a quiet moment of reflection and introspection. Clutching the card tightly, he remains still, his thoughts drifting away on the gentle breeze. The music swells, amplifying the emotional resonance of this poignant scene. In the tranquil embrace of the park, Mr. Gordon finds solace and peace, his spirit momentarily lifted by the beauty around him. The man trudges along the seaside path, each step echoing his heavy burden. Waves crash against the shore, their indifferent rhythm a stark contrast to his inner turmoil. He offers a fleeting smile, a fragile attempt at connection, lost on passers-by. A young child watches from afar, their innocent gaze fixed on the man's weary soul. The man continues his stroll along the seaside path, his posture straightening with each step. He deliberately smiles, a practiced warmth directed at the passers-by. A few polite nods acknowledge his gesture, brief connections in the sea of strangers. His eyes scan the path ahead, searching, anticipating. He spots the child again, their gazes meeting in a moment of silent recognition. The man offers a warm, genuine smile, a heartfelt connection bridging the distance. The child shyly waves back. The man walks along the seaside path, each step lighter than the last, bathed in the soft promise of dawn. As the sun ascends, painting the sky with hues of gold, the child waits, her anticipation a beacon of pure joy. With uncontainable enthusiasm, the child waves, her beaming face a radiant reflection of the man's burgeoning happiness. Sometimes the quietest people carry the loudest kindness, and when you finally see them, it means everything. At sunrise, the forest awakens as sunlight weaves through the canopy, creating a dance of light and shadow. A gentle melody fills the air, turning the serene forest into a sanctuary of peace and reflection. Words appear, a silent reminder. You never know what your smile means to someone else. The camera drifts slowly across the landscape, savoring the beauty of the natural world. Light and shadow engage in a delicate interplay, enhancing the forest's enchanting allure. Under the soft morning light, a mailman approaches, his steps heavy with the day's burden. The door opens, revealing a resident whose smile radiates genuine warmth. A simple, kind word bridges the gap, its effect profound. The mailman's weary facade melts away, replaced by a flicker of renewed spirit. The subtle swell of music underscores a moment of unexpected grace. The forest awakens, bathed in the gentle light of the rising sun. As the sun climbs higher, the TaleBright logo emerges, a beacon of light in the digital dawn. A simple invitation echoes through the trees. Subscribe for more stories that carry light. The vibrant scene begins to fade, as if the day's first light slowly retreats. From the darkness, a message of warmth emerges. If someone's light made your day, tell them. The screen reveals a message, because sometimes, even the mailman needs a message too.